Say goodbye. Say goodbye to my brow. Say goodbye to it. Oh my god. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bailey. If you're new here, you're welcome. Make sure you subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below and the notification bell, because in today's video, we might be screwing up my brows. I love my brows. I have good brows. I never overplucked my brows. I've had like a couple like bad brow moments, but we're not going to talk about those. Today we're going to be trying a product from Maybelline, and this is the Tattoo Brow Easy Peel Off Tint, and it's supposed to last up to 3 days, and I'm curious about this. So I got it in the shade dark brown. I'm hoping that is dark enough for me and it's not going to be too like warm tone for me, because sometimes things that are like dark brown are usually like warm tone, and I want something that's like cool tone, like grayish black, you know what I'm saying? Besides the color, I'm so intrigued about this product because like I want this to happen to me. I don't want to fill in my brows for the next 3 days, so that's why we're trying this. And we're in quarantine, so if my brows mess up and it looks so ugly, we're in quarantine, so it doesn't even matter. This seems pretty self-explanatory. Like it says, apply in desired shape, let dry for at least 20 minutes, and it says for 3-day wear, leave it on for 2 hours. And then it says that you're supposed to peel off from the inner brow to the outer brow. And that's literally like the 3-step directions that's on the box, which is pretty simple. And I feel like a chimpanzee could figure this out, to be honest with you. It also does have this like gradient chart down here, like showing that like if you remove it right away, your brows aren't going to be there, and if you leave it on for 20 minutes versus 2 hours, like it's going to be darker. On the back, there isn't really any information. It just says it's their first peel off brow tint that lasts up to 3 days. So without further ado, let's try this out. I am so excited. Let's remove my brows. Today to remove my brows, I'm using the Garnier Micellar Water for normal to sensitive skin. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to my brow. Say goodbye to it. Oh my god. Just a little FYI, like this is my natural brow with nothing in it, and then this is how I typically do my brows, with a brow pencil and with a brow gel. So that's kind of like the look, the overall look that I'm going for, usually with my brows. Okay, let's remove this one too. Now that both of my brows are removed, we can start. It literally just says to start applying it on with the brush that it comes with on here. So it's like a thicker, almost like a lip gloss brush tip applicator that we're supposed to apply this with. I don't know how much of a distinct point I'm gonna get. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna go for it. Oh my god, I'm actually kind of nervous about this, but I guess I have time to clean up. I have Q-tips on hand. You know what? Let's just go for it. I have no idea what I'm doing, but we're just gonna go for it. Oh my god, I've like already messed up. This is gonna be, okay. I'm the type of person, oh my god. I'm the type of person that needs like very small tools to work with. That's how I like working. So when I have like an oversized brush like this, it just like really gets in my groove. And I'm finding it kind of annoying to get through my brow hair. Oh my god, okay. 10 minutes of torture for 3 days of not doing my brows. I can do this. This is not looking good. I'm like trying to maneuver the brush to like create a tip and a point so I can like sharply. Okay. My one concern is I usually have like a fade to my brow on the inner bit here, so I'm kind of concerned that it's just going to be like stark the whole way. Alright, so we did one. I mean, hey, it ain't bad. I am going to switch to an angled liner brush for my other brow because I think that that's going to help me a little bit. So I have here a NYX eyebrow brush. It has a spoolie on the end, and I think I'm going to try and work it with this just to to see if this brush is like the end all be all or if it's easier with a angled brush. Okay, well, verdict is it's easier with an angled brush. Except now I have to try and get them even, which is interesting. I also have From This Moment, I don't know what it's called, From This Moment On by Shania Twain stuck in my head. Oh my god. Not that it's a bad song, I love that song, but I just want to sing the power ballad, you know? I'm now just going through and kind of rubbing, just because I'm finding that underneath my hair there's like bald spots, and I don't want bald spots. I want this to be like perfect. Because I'm in quarantine and wow. This is a dark brow. Wow. Okay. Wow. You know what? I'm not gonna lie, the brush that it comes with isn't all that bad. I do like the angled brush though for like getting like the fine tips and like really squaring off my brow area here in the front. But overall that brush like isn't terrible, hence why it came with the brush. But I'm just such a precise person and I want everything to be perfect that I have to use something like this. Okay, so you know what? I want to leave this on for the full, how long did it say? 2 hours. So it's 2 o'clock right now, and I'm gonna wait until 4 o'clock and we're going to see how these brows look. I'm kind of nervous about it, to be completely honest. This just seems like really dark, but I know it's probably like a henna type thing and like it goes on dark, but then it really isn't. Oh my god, imagine if my brows turned orange. Well, it's not like I'm going anywhere, so it really doesn't matter. Also, I want to share this with you guys, okay? And this is quite serious. I have a cat, and this is a cat, and this is very serious. Boy, are you excited for my brows, boy? It's gonna be new brows, my boy. Yes, new brows, boy. He's so cute. He's been sneezing lately. Oh, were you about to sneeze, my boy? You about to sneeze? You're sneezy Magoo. You're sneezy. Yeah, sneezy boy. Alright guys, well, check you back in 2 hours. Wish me luck. We're back. It's 3:50 and I have had these on for just like an hour and 55 minutes, so just about 2 hours, and I cannot wait to peel this off. It feels like a hard, like rubber is what it feels like, essentially, kind of. It dried pretty fast, and I don't know what else to say other than I need to peel this off my face. And it said, hold on, it said to peel a specific way. Oh yes, peel off from the inner part to the outer part, and I guess that's so you don't go against the like grain of the hair, I suppose. So I guess we just grab a, how am I supposed to do this? How am I supposed to, oh my gosh. Okay. So I feel like almost I would put a little, oh my god. That's like actually the color that I do my brows. Ooh. It doesn't hurt to peel off, like it's not pulling on my hair at all. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Look at that. I can definitely see a couple of my brow hairs in here. I guess just the ones that were ready to fall out or whatnot. Wow, I'm actually so impressed with that. This is like literally the color of, it's a little bit of a funny shape over here, but this is literally the color that I do my brows in. That is amazing. Okay, let's peel the other side. Ooh, and it's actually super easy to peel off. Ooh. Ah! And it came, oh yeah, okay, see, there are some brow hairs in there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but there's a couple of my little fur balls in there, definitely. Okay, I feel like this one's darker, maybe because I did that one first. Wow, okay, my initial, like, what I want to do is take a makeup wipe here. I'm gonna put a little bit makeup remover on it, and I just want to go over it just to, wow, okay. It's on there. All right. I don't know if I'm just wiping away like residual, but there's a tiny little bit of mostly foundation there. Oh my god, I have brows. If this lasts the full 3 days, this is amazing. Like with anything, your first time around isn't necessarily going to be perfect, and I feel like I've learned a lot from this little experience that I've experienced, and I know I would change the shape a little bit now that I understand how it works exactly, and I don't think I would bring it in all the way. I think I would leave that to be ombre because I do like when my brow is a little bit lighter on my inner bits here. But overall, I'm actually so impressed, and I'm so impressed that it's like a nice cool tone color, because I was really scared that it was going to be super warm, but it's not. Wow, guys, I have brows for 3 days now. Oh my god, I wish I would actually redo this, and I would do it properly, and I think I would do them bigger and thicker. And I think what I would do is I would like do an outline of where I want to fill in, so it was like absolutely perfect. But I'm literally so impressed by this. Oh my god. Okay, well, I'm gonna go grocery shopping. Oh my god, I was just gonna make a coronavirus joke and I just started coughing. An update on my brows. Oh wow, my hair. Just woke up. It's the next morning. I feel like they're pretty dark. When I took my makeup off yesterday, I felt like it was pretty stark. But now that it's the morning, I don't know. Maybe it's okay. What do you guys think? I'm just not used to it. I feel like I'm one of those people who got their brows microbladed and have no makeup on except for this. Look at the color my brows have changed into. What is happening? What is happening? We're at like the 24-hour mark, and my brows have somehow changed shade into this color, which is like really reminding me of henna. This is a situation. My brows. Ma'am,